Hi, this is Corinna Hernandez from Pony Salon, and this is my inspirational long layer demo. Flo's hair has been growing out for quite a while, so she wants to make it feel fresh again, and she mentioned wanting long, heavy bangs. Otherwise, she said do what you like. First, we'll get Jenny, our amazing makeup artist, to give her a great look. Then we'll cleanse using a volumizing shampoo and conditioner. Her hair is very thick, it's pretty healthy still, even though her ends are dry, and she has a natural wave. I'll start by combing the hair down at natural fall, and I'm looking for splits and cowlicks. This helps me decide where to open up the bangs to cut them right around cheekbone length. I'll be using a medium stroke with my razor. I want the bangs to open up in the center, so I'll be removing more weight in the middle and a little bit less on the outside. Now I'm connecting the rest of the bangs, going from short to long, using a larger stroke to get more movement. As I move through the haircut, I want to stay organized, keeping my sections clean. Using Flo's unique growth patterns, I'll pick a small section as a sexy framing bit that will hug her jawline just so. Now I'm moving into the sides to frame with an even larger stroke of the blade and also adding extra weight removal for sexy movement. I'm cutting her length in front of her shoulder so the ends are slightly graduated. Mid-haircut, I'll be adding surf to get some body and grit in her hair, thinking of my goal, big, sexy hair. Now I'm moving to the back, sectioning for better management of my weight removal. Here, I'm sectioning out the crown using her head shape, and I'm layering with a large stroke for maximum weight removal. Now I'm going back in to remove even more weight to get the lift I'm looking for in the crown. I'm moving the hair around to check my cut, looking for anything that needs adjustment. I decide to add more weight removal, closer to the bang. Now I'm adding more product for more volume. I don't want to add water because it'll weigh the hair down and it'll set me back. Here I'm connecting the crown with the center back with a little bit more weight removal. I'm choosing to diffuse her hair to keep most of her natural texture. I want to focus on my end result, being 60s inspired, voluminous, but updated. It's all about the bangs and bits. This is where I play and watch the cut come to life. This is where I see it perform and function. What I'm looking for is a texture that's not too fluffy or puffy, but a little more dirty, piecey, shiny, separated, natural, not overstyled. I don't mind a little frizz as long as the ends are shiny. So sexy, so beautiful, and very easy. I love seeing the before and after together. How gorgeous does she look? For more information, go to ponyeducation.com.